bought this complete Jeep in really good running condition specifically to build this Jeep.
Oh, okay.
Now, it is capable with some adjustments on the shocks of doing a pretty good turn across country desert.
Okay.
Not desert racing because the motor is small enough that
Okay.
it think about the fastest it goes is about 60 miles an hour because of the gearing. The tire size is one of the major factors. That gives you ground clearance with your axle housing.
Okay.
Right? Okay, obviously the taller the tires, the more ground clearance you're going to have there, and belly pan clearance, and that's up underneath the belly.
Okay.
Okay, so ground clearance and axle and tire articulation. This tire right here, this tire can be up, the bottom of it can be right here on a rock, the size of this, and that one over there could be down in a hole.
Oh.
Okay, and the body would remain just about level. Actually, everything on here is powder coated.
Oh, beautiful. It's a beautiful color.
You like that?
I do. It's very
Well,
beautiful.
It was selected by my son and myself.
Oh, very nice.
Well,
Did you pick
guys just
blue?
don't do things like that, right?
Right.
And win.
Did you pick blue for a particular reason, or is it your favorite color?
Okay, this right here was the nearest we could get with a stock powder coat of the original color of the Jeep.
Oh, I see.
So then we went from there, we decided we wanted to do all the round stuff in this color,
Okay.
which is these are King shocks, King coilover shocks. And so we tried to match that as close as we could. And then I told my son, I said, okay, we are not painting any black on this thing. I am sick and tired of black. Okay, so we're going to do all the frame and all the axles and all the running gear gray. Well, it's a slight tinge of blue, gray. And well, it's not a true Jeep. I can call it a Jeep because it is a Jeep body. This axle back here is what is called a General Motors corporate 14 bolt, okay, because it has 14 bolts around there.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and it's used in 1 ton and larger GM trucks. Okay, basically, what this is a 1 ton chassis and running gear for a 1 ton truck, with a CJ-5 body mounted on it. And my son and I designed and built every bit of it, including the roll cage. Okay, and then everything's top coat. This is a Ford 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder.